Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2016 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, an outside temperature display, power front seats, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.